You know how I feel about water. It's one of the most important things you can do when you're working on losing weight. But here's the catch. There was a study done by Carl Benke at Purdue University that showed you might actually be making yourself sick by using a reusable water bottle. Like, do you ever clean your reusable water bottle? Well, the study focused on a couple of things. First of all, what kind of water bottle did people have? How old was it? And what did they put inside of it? Was it just water, energy drinks, tea, coffee, whatever? And also, how did they clean it? And how frequently did they clean it? They were able to come up with some really interesting stuff. For me, probably one of the most crazy things, did you know that about 20% of water bottles in the study had fecal bacteria in them? That means poop bacteria. So it's clear that our water bottles are not staying clean, and it might even be our own fault. So what did we learn about the study? Well, we learned that using water only helps to limit the amount of bacteria in the bottle. Also, keeping the bacteria from growing by keeping it cool is a very important thing. You can do this with ice and also not leaving your water bottle in the sun. You want to rinse your water bottle out daily. And you want to wash it weekly using a bottle cleaner and a good detergent. You might also want to spray it with some Clorox bleach for extra sanitizing. You want to dry it completely before you store it, and never share the water bottle. If it's just your saliva in the mix, that is bacteria that is more accustomed to living in your body. If you bring somebody else into the mix, all bets are off, even if it's your child. By the way, if you're looking at water bottles to buy, a wide mouth water bottle or one with a built-in straw are the best. The wide mouths are easy to clean, and the built-in straws help keep your hands out of the liquid. So, pick a water bottle that works, but be really careful when you pick a water bottle that you're keeping it clean.